Hello everyone. So let's do some geometry for our SAT or GRE or GMAT quantitative review, right? So suppose we have this star and we want to know the sum of the angles A, B, C, D, E, right? So like the tip of the triangle and the star. So this is actually a fairly easy problem. All we need to do is, recognize that the angle 1 here, okay, is actually equal to C plus D, right? Because of this property here, right? So if you have like a okay, so if you have this thing, so this one will be equal to the sum of these two, yeah, okay. Why? Because this one is 180 while this triangle is also 180, so that should be true. Angle 1 should be equal to C plus D, and you can also see that angle 2 must also be equal to B plus E. And obviously angle A will be equal to angle A, and recognizing that angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is just a triangle, so it's going to be 180, so that means that ABCDE must also be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so this one is a logarithm problem. So we want to find x here, so this is actually easy. So we just employ the laws of logarithm, right? So log x squared is 2 log x, and this means that log x must be equal to 2 or log x must be equal to 0, right? So this means that x will be equal to 100 or x equals 1. Right, so let's look at another problem here. Let me write another problem. Let's say we have let's use De Moivre's theorem this time. Yeah, so let's say we want to find all the roots of, say, z to the fourth is equal to 1. Yeah, so the fourth root of 1. Okay, so well, without using knowledge of imaginary numbers, we already know that the roots would be like 1 and -1, right? But this is z to the 4, so that means that we have to look. We still have like 2 more roots. There should be like 4 roots in here. Yeah. So look at your unit circle, right? So z to the 4th is equal to 1. Yeah. So 1 will be here. Yeah. So what's the how do we represent 1? So 1 will be like e to the I pi, right? So e to the I, well, this is at 0 degrees, so 0 plus 2k pi, yeah, right? Because it goes back after 2 pi. Yeah, so our k here is an integer. K can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So really what we are looking for is the fourth root of that, so to the power 1/4. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for, to the power 1/4. So this means that we are looking for e to the I 0 plus 2k pi divided by 4. Yeah, and okay, and so we have here e to the I, right? So it's gonna be like pi over 2 times k, right? So where k is 0, k will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Yeah, so let's see. When k is 0, okay, when k is 0, so this will be like 1. Yeah, e to the I 0. Yeah, let me just put here. When k is 0, it will be e to the I 0, e to the I 0, which is 1. When k is 1, then you have e to the I pi over 2, which is which is what? Which is positive I, right? Pi over 2 is here, right? Pi over 2. Okay, so that's like 0 plus 1i. So this is just I. Okay, when k is 2, then e to the I, okay, pi. And that's just negative 1. Yeah, right here. So at pi, that's going to be negative 1. Now when k is 3, e to the I, when k is 3, this is a little bit 3 pi over 2. Okay, and that will be negative I. How do we know that? It's going to be here, right? 3 pi over 2 will be here. It's negative I. Okay, so these are, and then when k equals 4, it will be same as, you know, k equals 0, right? So now we get back again. So it's going to be like k equals 4, you're here again. So you keep on going over the circle. So these are all the 4 roots of this simple problem. Z to the 4th is equal to 1. Then, you know, you say z will be equal to 1, z will be equal to I, z will be equal to negative 1, and z is equal to negative I. Okay, so that will be one lesson in De Moivre's theorem, and we also have geometry, and we also have logarithm. So call me if you need help with SAT, GRE, or GMAT review. Thank you.